Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the pattern recognition master indicator for MT4. All right. So if you struggle to spot high probability trade setups, then this indicator is about to change your game. Stay tuned as we break down how this indicator works and how you can use it to improve your trading strategy. Okay, now what is the pattern recognition master indicator for MT4? Well, I'm going to add this indicator to the chart right now. After adding it to the chart, then we can look at how to make use of this indicator. All right, here we go, the pattern recognition master indicator. All right. So the pattern recognition master indicator is a technical analysis tool designed to identify candlestick and chart patterns automatically. All right. So instead of manually scanning for key formations, this indicator does the work for you, marking patterns directly on the chart. Okay, so you can see how the indicator marks patterns on the chart and gives you some information about what it marked on the chart. All right, it detects reversal patterns, engulfing candles, pin bars, and doji formations that signal potential market reversals. It also detects continuation patterns, like flags, pennants, and triangles that confirm trend continuation. Furthermore, it detects breakout patterns, like head and shoulders, double tops, and wedge formations, that signal potential breakout moves. So this tool helps traders eliminate guesswork, ensuring that key trade opportunities are never missed. All right. Now, how does the pattern recognition master indicator work? Well, the indicator scans price action in real time using advanced algorithms to detect patterns and mark them on the chart. All right, so here's what happens when a pattern is identified, right? The indicator labels the pattern on the chart with clear visual cues, right? It provides alerts and notifications, helping traders react quickly. And it assists in determining the best entry, stop loss, and exit points based on pattern behavior, right? This means faster decision making and better trade execution for all types of traders. We can see here now the indicator was able to identify different patterns. You can see SS234, it identified as SS2 here, identified SS2 here. Now what does that mean? A shooting star. So basically the indicator is telling you that I have identified a shooting star. You know what to do next. It tells you that this is a bearish pattern, so you should be looking for bearish indication, bearish signal, bearish opportunities. Yeah, it told you that it is a bearish pattern, so you should be looking for sell opportunities, right? So if you had grabbed that on time, perhaps you would have sold somewhere here and you would have at least exited at the support level, even though this is just going to be for scalping, right? Now you can see that when we had the PL, what does the PL mean? Piercing line pattern, and it's a bullish pattern. So the indicator identified a PL pattern and told you. So if you had entered a buy around here, well, you would have gotten some pips, even if you had exited around here, right after the SS2 formed, right? If you had exited as the SS2 formed, if you would have exited probably around here or around here. So as a scalper, you can be exiting at the nearest opposing signal and entering when the next signal appears and all of that, right? But if you are a swing trader or an intraday trader, you can just decide to ride the trend until a reversal pattern forms, right? Until a reversal pattern forms. Okay, so whether you're a day trader, swing trader, scalper, you can use that. You can take advantage of this indicator, right? You can take advantage of it. Okay. So there are several reasons why the pattern recognition master indicator for MT4 is It must have two. One is that it saves time. No more manually looking for patterns, right? And the indicator works on all time frames. It is ideal for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Okay, and the indicator provides good signals. Well, it does not provide 100% accurate signals because it's not foolproof. Okay, there is no indicator out there that is foolproof, but at least the indicator provides some good signals because we can see it identifies candlestick patterns. You can see here it identifies HMR4. What does HMR4 represent? Bullish hammer. So if you had entered a buy signal, it shows you that this is a bullish pattern. You can see it categorized them. The bearish patterns are here, the bullish patterns are here. So now it's identified the bullish pattern here. So if you had entered a buy trade on time, you would have enjoyed this buy move probably until it gives you a bearish pattern or until price reaches a resistance and you exit. So in as much as this indicator provides some good signals, it does not guarantee profit. Okay, it does not guarantee profit. Now, the indicator also reduces trading mistakes by, because it confirms patterns with price alerts. All right, so with this indicator, traders can focus on execution rather than manual analysis, making trading more efficient and stress-free. Now, how do you use the pattern recognition master indicator in your trading? If you are using the pattern recognition master indicator for MT4, here's how you can apply it to your strategy. The first step is to look for reversal patterns. Okay, when a bullish reversal pattern appears, right, especially at a strong support level, consider a buy trade. Then when a bearish reversal pattern appears, especially around the resistance, consider a sell trade. Okay, then the next step is to confirm with other indicators. You can actually decide to add other indicators, maybe RSI, MACD, moving averages, or any other indicator of your choice to strengthen trade confirmations. All right, the third step is to trade breakout patterns. Okay, a breakout pattern like the head and shoulders or double top can indicate a strong move. So you just wait for confirmation before entering your trade. All right. And then finally, manage your risk properly. Always set your stop loss and take profit levels based on pattern recognition signals. If you want to start using this indicator right away, just ensure you download the indicator from a third-party site that is reputable and you add it to your indicators folder. You navigate to the indicators folder of your MT4 and paste the file there. Restart your MT4 terminal and add the indicator to your chart. You can actually edit the settings as you wish. All right, you can adjust the settings for the indicator if you wish. Okay, once you have set it up, you'll be able to identify trading patterns effortlessly, helping you make more informed trading decisions. So the pattern recognition master indicator for MT4 is a powerful tool that helps traders automatically detect high probability setups, improving accuracy and efficiency. So if you're serious about trading, this indicator can make a big difference, right? Although it does not guarantee profit. Okay, so it could provide some false signals sometimes because when it identifies a pattern, there is no guarantee that that pattern will play out as you expect. Okay, so just take note of that. However, at least the indicator does a good job in identifying good patterns. All right, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another powerful trading strategy. Thank you for watching and happy trading.